Hi, my name is Losila Kaarzoglyeu. I'm from Argentina. I've been living in China for the last 4 years, and I came to my health center of the district to have my first shot of the vaccine. I'm really excited. This is my husband, Salvador Maarinaro. He's a Fudan teacher.
I'm a professor in Fudan University.
Okay, thanks.
最近1个月有没有接种过其他疫苗
Do you have take vaccination in the past 1 month?
No.
今天接种完第1剂以后，21天以后要接种第2剂。
Okay, thanks. Oh, the left arm.
After vaccination, so you have to observe for 30 minutes and
Okay.
then you can leave.
Okay, 谢谢。
I received the vaccine in January with the professors of Fudan. No? After that, the Argentinian government signed an agreement with China to receive supplies from the Chinese vaccine. And we are all together, we are experiencing a crisis in a global scale, so the solutions should be also global and without nationalities.
Bye.